Well, hello everybody. Alright, so today we are on an adventure up to Rabun here in Georgia, second highest point in Georgia. I want to share with you guys a little bit of the view. Say hi everybody.
Hi.
So I actually came up on a hike with a big group of people. There's like, what, 17 of us up here. The hiking buddy group. Pretty cool that they get together and go hiking on different trails together and enjoy each other's company, and then come up to places like this.
Yeah. The aches and pains.
It's yeah, as they come up, aches and pains, and she says. And I actually even took a spill on the ice and kind of scarred up my knee a little bit of blood. We're okay though. But you guys, it's pretty neat to be able to come up with a group of people and get to know some new folks. And I don't know if you guys can really see that view out there. It's pretty nice, but see on forever. But anyway, you guys, just wanted to share a little bit of where we're at here today, and of course I've taken a lot of photos and short videos, and I will come back with you guys in a little while. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. All right, so 8.2, 8.4 miles, whatever that might have been. I'll tell you what, I walked 2,200 miles. I don't think I drew blood once. Okay, when that branch fell down on top of me. But as far as falling down, tripping up, I've fallen down like 3-4 times today. First, it's that, scraped up pretty good. And now, not even 100 yards down the trail, we got that. My hand, what a mess. What the heck? I did 2,200 miles on the Appalachian Trail, including the approach trail, and never done that. And here, unbelievable, just unbelievable. Anyway, what a good day. It was cold up on top, but I'll tell you what, it was a lot of fun. Met a lot of people. There's 17 of us in this group, and got to meet quite a few of them, so that's pretty cool. But from here, I'm going to, I don't know, we're supposed to go see a couple waterfalls or something like that. We'll see if that works out or not. But then I'll go get something to eat. Pretty hungry. I snacked on some stuff, but my hand hurts worse than my knee, and it's not even bleeding, but it's scuffed up pretty good. Poor tribute. Nice, huh? Anyway, I actually had a great time. Nice trail, beautiful trail. The Rabun Bald, second highest point in Georgia. It was windy, cold up there, some snow and ice, but we're all good. But you guys, I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna doctor up my wound a little bit, and probably wait for, I'm the first one here to the parking lot, or the parking area. But people will start coming in, so. But we'll see you guys later. Yeah, that's all. Bye-bye.